20. Yes, I already lost.
But I want to get mine of the right nature.
I lost every dice roll today and won every.
You know what? You know what? It doesn't matter. You want to know why? Because
Until I get
it's the third time today I've lost a 20.
Yeah.
So you go first,
Yeah.
I
just enjoy it today.
Online play.
Good luck, sir.
Good luck to you, my good man.
Hey, YouTube.
How you doing?
Factory?
Yes, sir.
Make it rain, golden shower.
Past you.
Draw, sir.
Make it rain, golden shower.
Golden shower.
I don't know, man.
Summon?
I got water.
Why does everybody have to...
Activate.
You're not chaining. Oh, yeah, you're not chaining, right? You're waiting until this all resolves?
Even if he does.
Yeah, but if he chains, Thunder King will still hit, won't it?
Does he change to the bottom list?
Oh, yeah. All right, go ahead.
What? Factory starts a new chain.
I'm an idiot. Shut up.
Although the fact remains, can it trigger if a Thunder King is on the field? We'll assume he...
Triggers it just can't resolve.
I know, those are all
Set one pass.
that he got.
Draw one.
The rabbit returns. All happy, right?
Activate.
Yep. Grab magician. If you don't, that means you already have your hand.
I also have to. Oh, this is Jordan Fighter. I'm going to look at it.
Try to check off that commercial.
This one, maybe.
Oh, those commercials are so stupid.
You must have already.
You have to see what I built and put it into
Storm.
I built the binder specifically for free.
On my favorite.
So if anyone pulls like an iron or whatever it is,
Not my fault.
Are you triggering magician
No, it's not.
when you trigger shark?
20 to 30 on eBay.
Is it? Why? What?
Chain to your shark.
Ultimate Black Rose goes
Was it
Means I'll get to draw
stuff
two.
was over?
20.
No.
Because you're triggering the magician also.
Hear them yelling.
So you have to.
Okay, how?
Okay, you go summon magician.
Yes.
Reveal shark.
Trigger shark.
And I asked you if you were triggering the magician.
Yes.
So I'm activating max C, which means I'll get a draw for the shark, and then I'll get a draw for when you have to resolve magician.
Is that the case? Because
Well, I don't know about the...
he has to
I don't know
hit
about
the
the
field.
triggering the phrase.
I think your trigger order is wrong,
Yeah,
but
because he actually has to hit the field, so you get to draw one when I from that.
Yeah.
Oh, I can chain to him because I can chain the Heron and Orange Lake to shark and stuff.
Okay.
he's chaining the wind-up shark. He'll draw for a shark at least.
You lost, so technically you go first.
Well, that's what I was asking because when you reveal a shark to like special summon them, that's when you can, if you want to
The
trigger.
trigger can still be true, but he doesn't have to activate it.
No, but he has to like if he wants to use one magician effect, unless he wants to bring a shark and then change its level and then do it.
Yeah.
That's what I was asking.
Funny, because you could probably incorporate an Exodian.
Fire Lord.
And to all you people out there, I'll let you know, I don't care what you say, I'm going,
With the fire.
We don't care. We've already split. We're just playing.
Don't worry.
We're playing just for the points, basically.
Even if you perform flawlessly, there's going to be somebody who comes on and says, "Why the player sucks?"
level 3.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
But
Actually, I'm sure they're going to say that because he's pushing through a max C.
Yeah, but that's what a normal good player would do. Except when you're playing against an agent deck that has so many outs.
Tragodia.
Gores, Herald, Baylor.
did you ever think about Zephyros?
Yeah, they're good.
Are you?
Can't let have lag.
I want to see if he does it right.
I know.
Because I'm going to make fun of you if
Adam
you
was
don't.
guarding it.
That's what I wanted.
I said you were guarding my bag because you were sitting right by it.
Herald Beast tag team.
Was I?
We'll go with it.
Imagine that. Dire Wolf. Yeah. Prohibition, Dire Wolf.
Here you go.
I got my lightning guy though. Lightning guy.
So Shark is level 4.
3.
Oh, he already... Yeah, right. Never mind. I was probably yammering about Tragodia or something like that.
Something like that.
Has a feel to be even
What I do.
Like 3 second batteries ago.
Oh, you're gonna draw.
Okay.
Trying to deck me, is that it? Is that your plan?
What do I go for?
Trigger.
He's trying to deck me out, YouTube.
Fact.
Yep.
Read the effect.
Not triggering.
I was like, okay. I was like, you don't have enough monster zones to do it.
No,
Yeah, you have to say after the fact.
I want to set your Red Nova Dragon.
that's unfortunate.
Yeah, it's basically it's a Ryza and Grammarg in camp.
Only because I want to try this.
Oh shit.
I was gonna say, because better play would have gone to wind up rabbit,
Then you use effect
then
failure.
banish the rabbit.
Oh no,
and
no,
trigger
then
off
you
the
just bring it back over.
Unless he's not doing a shock
Banish
lock.
itself.
His original
You
attack was
bring a
down,
rabbit,
so
and then you banish
yeah.
itself with its effect, which then would trigger that guy. And let you bring out the magician, then you can go into shock next to it, and then you have a rabbit. You'll have double rabbit coming back.
Yes, I probably should have done that, but I didn't.
You said you wanted to try something, so I assumed you were trying something different then.
Nothing really different. I'm just going crazy.
Like I said,
Again.
the trolls don't care if you do well or not. They will still say that you suck.
Yep. It's great.
One
isn't it?
tribute.
There's no way to please them, so don't try.
Magic. Go.
Stop your shotmaster and kill him.
You can't.
Why?
Because I said so.
Shut up, man.
225 pounds, motherfucker. No. All right, go ahead.
Now we're gonna get him to gloves.
Yeah.
6, 9, 11 cards. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Heavy slump?
That's in your side.
No, it's actually not in there.
What's wrong with you?
It's home.
Did you?
I drew.
Okay.
Poor guy.
Call the
Back
haunted
back?
PK?
Yeah.
Need a date? What you want free? I see an advertisement on the bottom of this couch.
You almost damped me out.
Need a date? Going free. Look, see?
Wow. Attack Excalibur.
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready.
Wait, you will.
Baby.
Over here.
He's getting too old for movies now. Decepticon, yeah. Yes. No, it's
Summon
Pentagon.
rabbit.
Oh god.
Yes, Decepticon.
Over here. Fred.
All my targets are grass.
Sick.
K5?
Yeah.
K5?
Yep.
Talk to you later, guys.
All right, see you in 2 weeks.
Sean, do you work next Sunday?
Next Sunday?
Yeah.
No.
You want to come to the box event?
I don't think I'll have the money for it. I'll let you know because I got a bunch of tips I got to roll up.
Pretty sure you can probably throw it on credit too with the store.
I have no credit here.
No, I mean like
Sean,
we can cover you if need be.
If you want to play, you'll be covered.
No, the funny thing about my store now that I work at is it's closed every Sundays.
Well, then you have to come. That's only fair.
What time does the event start though?
10 o'clock on the dot.
Yeah.
On the Dizot.
And
No.
it'll be for the new set.
Last week, 10 o'clock on the dot.
Now that's tempting. You
Even
know
if
it.
other
It
players come
actually
in.
is, I ain't gonna lie.
Here you go.
Because the only thing I need from the whole set is obviously gonna have to be the secret.
We have a box event
There
once
you
a
go. It'll be
month.
2 boxes
On
to
a
be open to
Sunday.
prizes.
But when we say a box event,
Watch out for
it's multiple
2 of them.
boxes. Like the last one, we only had 12 players, but we gave away 2 boxes.
First box got a first place got a box. Second got half. Third got
Half a box.
6 or 8 and 4. Third got like 8 and fourth got 3 or 4 or something like that.
Here you go.
Okay, so Phoenix, good. All right, Hyperion effect.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I'll let you know.
Attack.
All the info will be on Facebook.
I know, but I'll let you know because I gotta think, you know what I mean. I'll just give you a message on Facebook.
Patch. Allow Leviator to attack twice.
Recall attack.
Okay. Battle phase.
Go.
100.
Hmm.
15.
Yep.
18.
Go ahead.
46.
Okay.
18.
Yep.
28?
28.
And if I can make a caliber.
28.
28, yeah.
Yeah. 27. Bastard. You're at 100. 7,900 right there, YouTube. Set.
2 and I traded for a third day.
Set 2.
So bad then.
Now what I need to see.
Your go, set. You get a wind up rabbit.
Think you will?
No.
No, you get a wind up rabbit.
Oh, I mean, no. And then what I drew. Summon?
I'll get back to you on it.
Alright, not a problem.
Yeah, Mike.
MST ball.
Activate effect.
Oh, see, that's what you mean.
That was a
What a game, Terry.
No, come on. I want to draw more cards.